Introducing the Mi Note 10 Lite in the Nepal market today. Here's the color family of the Mi Note 10 Lite we are launching in Nepal: Midnight Black, Nebula Purple, and Glacier White. About the Mi Note 10 Lite also, we will divide the presentation in 4 parts. This is a display, processor, camera, and battery. Talking about the display of the phone, it's a 6.47 inches FHD plus 3D curved AMOLED display with in-display fingerprint. So it's a very nice, very beautiful curved cinematic display which you will love holding it in your hands. Talking about the processor, it comes with a cutting edge 730G by Qualcomm for seamless performance, exceptional gaming, enhanced graphics, 4K capabilities. You can game for hours using the 8nm process for great power efficiency and amazing AI experiences in the 730G processor by Qualcomm. Talking about the camera, the primary camera of the Mi Note 10 Lite is a 64 megapixel Sony IMX686. Also included are an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera for ultra wide shots, 5 megapixel depth sensor for portrait shots, and a 2 megapixel macro camera for macro shots up to 2 centimeters. Also, there is a 16 megapixel AI selfie camera in the front for the Mi Note 10 Lite with AI Beautify, AI Studio Lighting, face recognition, AI scene detection, 4K video shooting, vlog mode, 2.39:1 cinematic frame for portraits. So amazing camera experience as well in the Mi Note 10 Lite. Some sample pictures of the Mi Note 10 Lite. In this picture, you can see how clearly the Sony IMX686 sensor captures a very detail in this picture. There is shade, there is sunlight, there is sky, there are intricate designs in the buildings ahead, but the sensor does an amazing job of capturing the photo really well. Also about the night mode, you can see how clearly the picture has been captured by the Sony IMX686 sensor with the super pixel technology. Amazing light mode. Talking about the portrait photos as well. In this picture also you can see how the background is blurred really efficiently with the foreground in sharp focus. There is an ultra wide camera as well for ultra wide shots like these. Also a macro mode for shooting macro photos up to 2 centimeter distance. Also a selfie camera which gives you amazing clarity with or without bokeh. You can see how the object is captured really beautifully. Even in the bokeh mode, the background is not in focus. Talking about the battery, very important. The Mi Note 10 Lite comes with a humongous 5260 mAh battery, which gives you enough power to last for over 2 days. Also, it has an in-box 30-watt charger with 30-watt charging capability to give you fast charge, which gives you 0 to 100% within 64 minutes. So also in your Mi Note 10 Lite, you get an IR blaster to use the Mi remote to control your household appliances, Bluetooth 5.0, USB Type-C, headphone jack, in-display fingerprint sensor, P2i coating to protect your phone from splashes, SDR10. So that's the Mi Note 10 Lite also for you. A 6.47 inches 3D curved AMOLED display, 64 megapixel Sony IMX686 sensor with 4-in-1 super pixel technology, Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G on an 8nm process technology, 5260 mAh large battery with 30-watt fast charger inside the box, a versatile quad camera on the back, and headphone jack, NFC and IR blaster. So that's all you get in the box of the Mi Note 10 Lite for you. Now talking about the most important part, what is the price? The price of the Mi Note 10 Lite 6GB 128GB variant in Nepal is, that's right, so the Mi Note 10 Lite with a curved LED display, in-display fingerprint, Snapdragon 730G processor, 64 megapixel Sony IMX sensor, goes for retail at 44,999 in the Nepal market very soon. So that is it from our side today. All the phones, both the phones which we have launched today, I hope you loved them. Please share the love on the phones on your social media.